I've been asked many times recently how to join my membership, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown. There's a few ways to get to the actual join page. The first one is you can click on my logo, which will take you to my YouTube channel landing page, and to the right of the subscribe button, there's a join button. If you don't see that, you can also go to any video and there should be a join button there. I have it circled here for you guys to see. If for some reason you don't see it there, the little spot above the video that says more, that goes to the video's description. I always have helpful links or additional information, so it's good to get in the habit of going there. But click the more button, and in the description, at the end of every description, I have my channel link to the actual join page. So you can click where it says that Eborns Reborns, and that will open up the actual membership landing page to be able to join. So this will have all the membership tiers, and you can join directly from this membership page. And let's go through the tiers. So the first tier is just a Buy Me a Coffee supporter tier, $2.99 a month. It's for people who don't have an interest in watching the tutorials, but just want to show a little bit of support. Occasionally I make a video or two available. You get custom emojis and loyalty badges. The next tier is the most common one, $8.99 a month for tutorial series access. This will give you access to all of the tutorial series videos. You can go into the Facebook group, have the ability to join any contests, giveaways, all of that kind of stuff. And I do member-only live streams for this tier as well. The next one is Access plus Feedback Help. This one is $19.99 a month. That gives you all of the stuff from the tutorial series access, plus you can contact me once a month. If you're struggling or just want me to let you know how I think that you're doing, give you any type of feedback, this would be a good level for you to pick. The last level I have is the silver level for $24.99 a month. That includes everything from all of the previous levels, but the private monthly feedback you get to contact me twice a month. We'll also connect on social media. I'll follow you back, and I give you a really good discount on any private lessons if you need some extra like one-on-one video chat type help. So now to actually join, I'm using silver as an example, but you'll do this with whichever level you decided is right for you. You're just going to click this join button, and you have the option above that as well to change the display name that you want to be a member as. So click the join button, and then payment information is going to come up. YouTube is owned by Google, so this is going to be whatever payment info is in your Google Pay account. You can click the payment info and change it, but after you have the right info selected, you're just going to hit that subscribe button, and that is it. Now you are a paying member.